13th. One. Velocity of light in diamond. So V in diamond 5 upon 12 times V in air. And velocity in water is 3 by 4 times velocity in air. Light is the angle of incidence of ray of light from water to diamond if R is 30 degree. So going from water to diamond, who is second medium? Is it diamond?
Yes.
Refractive index is always diamond with respect, second medium with respect to first. So this is V in diamond, V in water upon V in diamond in terms of velocity. This you know.
Yes.
In terms of velocity, it is velocity of first medium upon second medium. Now sine I upon sine R is 3 by 4 VA upon 5 by 12 VA. So sine of I upon sine of 30 is 3 by 4 into 12 by 5. 3 into 4 into 3 is 12. So sine I is sine 30 into 9 by 5, which is half of 9 by 5. So I will be sine inverse of 9 by 10. Okay.
Yes.
Where you went wrong in this?
It didn't click.
Achha.
Done.
After 13, with some
16.
16. A glass slab of thickness 7 centimeter contains same number of waves as 9 centimeter. Hello? हाँ सर, गुड आफ्टरनून सर. हाँ अब बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं, बोलिए. हाँ चालू है. हाँ हाँ ठीक ठीक है. खाली वो हाथ का मैं बताया ना कि हाथ उठता नहीं पूरा, तो फ्रोजन शोल्डर जैसा है. तो अच्छा, मैं बहुत करा रहा हूँ फिजियो, लेकिन ठीक नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ वो ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. हाँ हाँ हाँ. फिफ्थ पे. हाँ 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 समझ गया मैं. 505 है एकदम एंड में है ना, पहले वेस्टमैन था उसमें. वेस्टमैन वाला. यस यस यस. ठीक. हाँ 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 चलेगा सर, चलेगा. ओके ओके, करता हूँ रात को फोन. ओके ओके. as 9 centimeter of water. Number of waves are both in this. What is refractive index of, no, the ratio of wavelength of light, we want light in glass to that in water, if refractive index of water is 4/3. See, first of all, you should know what is meaning of number of wave. It is also called as wave number. Aniket, do you know what is number of wave or wave number? Yes, Aniket, do you know this? Hello? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes.
What is wave number you are remember knowing? Aniket, you can hear me? You have asked the question, but you are out of the scene. Hello,
Yes,
Aniket.
sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
wave number?
Sir, formula
हाँ, फॉर्मूला से आएगा ना आंसर. डेफिनेशन भी चलेगा मुझे.
हाँ.
नहीं याद है, छोड़ दो. याद नहीं
2
है?
pi
हाँ, बोलो बोलो, क्या
2
बोल
pi
रहे थे? 2 पाई.
sir 2 pi का lambda
नहीं, रॉन्ग है. उसको पाथ डिफरेंस बोलते हैं. 2 पाई बाय लैम्डा.
1 upon lambda.
हाँ, 1 upon lambda. Number of wave in 1 meter is wave number. तो 1 मीटर में वेव को 1 upon lambda वेव नंबर बोलते हैं. तो 7 centimeter will have how many wave? 1 meter has 1 upon lambda waves. So 7 centimeter will have how many wave? 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon lambda wave or not? Followed?
Yes.
So 9 centimeter will have 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon lambda. Correct?
Yes.
And both are equal in glass and water, they are telling. So 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 lambda glass is equals to 9 into 10 raised to minus 12 lambda water. So lambda glass upon lambda water will be 9/7. This is the answer, 9/7. Done, na?
Yes.
ठीक है. इसके आगे वाला आया फिर.
Option is
Option है. Okay. After 17, which sum?
so 19.
19. Or plane PQ is held normally. Mirror is held normally to the water surface. Normally to the water surface. What is angle of incidence?
Right. 50.
No, 40 ना, ये normal है ना, 40.
Yes, sir.
So angle of reflection will be 40 degree. Now it is falling on water surface. What is angle of incidence now? 50 degree on the
Yes.
water surface. Okay. We have to find what is R. Mu of water with respect to air is sin I upon sin R. Sin I is sin 50, sin R we have to calculate. Refractive index is 1.33. I can write 4 by 3. So sine of R is 3 by 4 into sine of 50. That means 0.75 into slightly greater than 0.7071. Clear?
Yes, sir.
अब ये 0.7, 7 into 5, 35, 49, 50. मतलब somewhat greater than 30 degree we should get na, option B. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After 19,
Done, sir.
after 19,
Sir, 20.
20. In a figure, wavefront AB is incident on glass plane surface XY, its position CD after refraction. Its position CD after refraction. This angle is given phi with the normal, that means even this is phi. What is refractive index? For refractive index, you require sin I, sin R. Angle made by normal with the incident ray is called as I. So I is theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello? And angle made by refracted ray with normal is called as angle of refraction, phi. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So sin theta upon sin phi is our refractive index. But sin theta is opposite side BD upon AD. And sin phi is opposite side AC upon AD. AD cancel, BD upon AC is the answer.
Done, sir.
After this,
24.
24. Time taken by light to pass through glass window. Time taken to pass through glass window of thickness, I'm writing H, 4 millimeter. Thickness 4 millimeter. And refractive index of 3/2 time taken to travel through this. What is formula for speed? Is it distance upon time? So time will
Yes.
be distance upon speed. Distance means that thickness h, speed is v in g. V in g is va upon mu g. So it will be h mu g upon velocity in air. ठीक है?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Few students can remember like this. मतलब they remember mu t upon c. T means thickness, mu is refractive index, c is the speed of light in air. So this way also you can remember. 4 millimeter is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Mu of glass 3/2 and speed is 3 into 10 raised to 8 in water. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 11. 2 into 10 raised to minus 11 seconds.
Done, sir.
Okay. 20, then after this
26.
26. Refractive index of light passing through. Acha. Light is incident on first medium mu1, emerges out parallel CD. See, whenever rays are parallel, this remember, whenever rays are parallel, then refractive index of medium is same. That is answer. एक के बाद आगे जाएंगे तो भी लास्ट में यही आता है. Hello? When rays are parallel, then refractive
Yes.
indices are same. Then after this,
28.
28. When ray of light enters a medium of refractive index √3 from air, ray of light enters a medium from air to medium it is entering, whose refractive index is √3. Angle of deviation is 30 degree. Then angle of incidence is how much? See, medium has refractive index √3. Is it rarer or denser? Air का 1, इसका √3, मतलब वो denser है ना?
Yes, sir.
So ray of light is going from rarer to denser. Then angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. So I is R plus angle of deviation. I is not known. This is R plus 30. So R will be I minus 30. Now mu is sine I upon sine of R. √3 is sine I upon sine of I minus 30. Typical summary. If I adjust left hand side as √3/2 upon half, चलेगा ना? 2 cancel हो जाएगा, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Now by comparing, what will be I? Sin I √3/2 मतलब 60 degree. हेलो?
Yes.
ये आंसर है, एकदम अलग है, कंपैरिजन वाला है.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next with sum.
34. 34.
34. 32 आया क्या?
Yes, sir. B.
In the 32.
You want 32?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A ray of light is incident on glass water interface at an angle I. It undergoes refraction. This is R, means this will be R, and comes on water air interface perpendicular. Mu of water is 4/3. Find the mu of glass. Okay. See, if this intermediate medium I assume to be absent, so my entry is glass and exit is water, correct? Air, correct?
Yes, sir.
So glass to air, is it denser medium to rarer medium?
Yes, sir.
When ray of light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, then angle of incidence at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degrees is called critical angle.
Yes, sir.
So here I is critical angle.
Yes, sir.
So for critical angle, refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer is 1 upon critical angle.
Yes, sir.
So mu of glass is 1 upon sine I. Therefore, sine I is 1 upon mu glass. Mu glass. This is the answer then. Mu glass is 1 upon sine I.
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you.
34 you want, no? Now.
Yes, sir.
34, yes. This is also good sum. Air has refractive index of 1.003. The thickness of air column thickness has one more wavelength of yellow light than in vacuum. Air column has one more wavelength than the thickness of vacuum. One more wavelength. Air column has one more wavelength than in vacuum. The thickness of air column is how much? Suppose this has thickness x. This is same thickness x. Has one more wavelength. This wavelength will be in vacuum. One more wavelength of vacuum. Because it is compared with vacuum. Air column has one more wavelength in same thickness of the vacuum. So can I say this will have number of wave x upon lambda air? And this will have x upon lambda vacuum? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Plus one more wavelength. So number of wave in air is one more wave as compared to that in vacuum. X upon ये step important है. Number of wave is x upon lambda in air, x upon lambda in vacuum. एक और wave है उसके पास air में, ऐसा बोला है. Now lambda is given in vacuum. This will be lambda in vacuum upon mu of air. because now air is denser medium. So wavelength in denser is wavelength in rarer upon refractive index. Mu air x upon lambda vacuum, x upon lambda vacuum is 1. Please copy till this. Therefore x upon lambda vacuum mu a minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore x upon lambda vacuum 6000 Armstrong, 6 into 10 raised to minus 7, 1.003 minus 1 equals to 1. So x equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, which is same as 2 millimeter. After this, with some
So 36, 37.
36 and 37. Light appears to travel in a straight line because of its small wavelength. See, 37. The reflected light from denser medium. A ray of light from denser medium strikes the rarer medium at an angle of incidence I. The reflected and refracted ray makes 90 degree with each other. That means R plus R dash is 90. The angle of reflection and refraction are R dash. Critical angle is how much? Okay. Critical angle is how much? R dash will be 90 minus R. What is critical angle in terms of refractive index? 1 upon sine of critical angle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Critical angle means angle of incidence I.
Yes.
अभी म्यू का फॉर्मूला क्या है? tan of IP ना? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
Mu is tan of IP into sine of I. Tan you can write as IP, you can write as 90 minus this is same as tan of 90 minus R. I is same as R, huh? This much you remember. 90 minus R dash. I is same as r. R is 90 minus r dash. So tan of r is 1 upon sine I. 1 upon sine I. We want critical angle, that means I we want. So this will become cot of r dash 1 upon sine I. So 1 upon tan r dash is 1 upon sine I. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sine I equals to tan of r dash. So I equals to sine inverse of tan of r dash. This answer.
सर आई क्रिटिकल एंगल नहीं होगा, पोलराइजिंग एंगल होगा ना?
जब ये R 90 हो जाता है ना, से रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स म्यू is 1 upon sine of critical angle, correct? And you want this
Yes, sir.
only ना, critical angle. यही चाहिए ना हमको तो, critical
Yes, sir.
angle, critical angle, critical angle, वही हो गया ना सर. इसलिए उसको मैंने चेंज नहीं किया ना.
Got it.
आफ्टर दिस 38 चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
A glass of refractive index 1.5 is immersed in water. Is immersed in water of refractive index 4/3. A light beam incident normally on face AB. Incident normally on face AB is totally reflected on BC. Reflected on BC. So this is light is going from glass to water, denser to rarer. Then it is showing total internal reflection. For total internal reflection, angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
अब ये I theta, ये 90, this will be 90 minus theta. So angle made by incident ray with normal will be theta only. That means theta should be greater than critical angle.
Yes, sir.
So sine theta is greater than sine of critical angle. Critical angle is 1 upon refractive index of denser with respect to rarer. That means 1 upon mu denser upon mu rarer. So sine theta is greater than mu rarer upon mu denser. So sine theta is greater than, rarer means water, 4/3. Denser is glass, 1.5 means 3/2. So sine theta is greater than 8/9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ये लाइन याद रहना चाहिए. टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन आई ग्रेटर देन क्रिटिकल. फिर क्रिटिकल को दोनों साइड साइन कर लगा दो.
Done, sir.
Then 39, 40, 41 में से anything?
No, sir.
Then which sum after this?
Sir, 49.
49. It is same ignorance what you have. I have the same. Angle of polarization is 53 degrees 4 minute. Then refractive index is tan of IP. Till this you also know. Till this I also know. After this, by judgment, I will write, which you got tensed. 53 degrees 4 minute. 1.33. Refractive index of water is 1.33. तो ये
Sir, 53.4 minutes है तो थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए ना 1.3 से. I also got 4 by 3.
पॉइंट नहीं है, 53 डिग्री 4 मिनट है.
Yes sir.
हाँ तो
1.33 से थोड़ा ज्यादा होना चाहिए ना, because 53 degree exact is 1.33. मतलब 1.4 नहीं होगा आंसर इसका.
नहीं ना, आप इस पे जाओगे जब ये 0 मिनट और ये 6 मिनट होता है ना, तो 0 मिनट में इतना ही है, 53 आया ना एग्जैक्ट.
Okay sir.
और इधर तो गैप का बहुत कम है. इधर आएगा आपको 1.33 कुछ तो, और आगे उतना नहीं आ रहा है. अब ये एग्जाम में दिया रहेगा, डरना मत, दिया रहेगा ब्रैकेट में व्हाट इज 53.4. देन आफ्टर दिस yes, after this
So 62.
unpolarized light of intensity 32 is incident on the combination of three polarites. Three polarites. The first and last are crossed means perpendicular. तो ये ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है, perpendicular. If the intensity of light transmitted through the combination is 3, final is 3, then what is angle between transmission axis of first two polarite? Okay. First two polarite का बीच का एंगल चाहिए आपको. क्वेश्चन समझा पहले? Questions are followed na first?
Yes, sir.
Now if this is 32, then this will become 16. है ना, पैरेलल को सीधा हाफ हो जाता है. That तो you know I think. This is unpolarized. Polarized, which we write I0 is unpolarized upon 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अब ये इधर आया तो I, which is going to come out from here, will be equals to 16 cos theta. Correct? I0 cos theta by 2. Cos theta. This you know formula?
Yes, sir.
Cos theta है क्या cos square है? Cos
So cos
square.
square.
Cos square. मालूस लॉ बोलते हैं ना इसको. I not equal to I into cos square theta. मालूस लॉ. Result is 3 they are telling. So when it comes out from here, ये cos 90 है ना, ये दोनों के बीच का एंगल कितना हो जाएगा? फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट 90.
Yes, sir.
तो ये पहले से थीटा आया, ये 90 आया, so it will be cos of 90 minus theta ना, with compared to this. ओके, हेलो।
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो गया अपना फाइनल वाला 13 इक्वल टू 16 cos square theta sin square theta. So 3 लास्ट में 3 दिया है। Intensity is 3 cos square sin square theta. So if I take this as 4 into 4 sin square theta cos square theta, so this will become 2 times sin theta cos theta का square, बराबर। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
so this is 3 upon 4 sin 2 theta square. So root 3 by 2 equals to sin 2 theta. What is root 3 by 2? Sine of root 3 by 2 is how much? Sine
60.
inverse root 3 by 2, 60 degree equals to 2 theta. So 30 equals to theta. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. पहले वापस समझ लो बराबर क्या किया है। ये 32 आया 16 के बाद कैसा जाएगा 16 cos स्क्वायर, उसके बाद कैसा जाएगा, ये एंगल कितना है, ये थीटा था 90 माइनस थीटा, उसका cos स्क्वायर, और वो रिजल्ट बोला है 3। ये डिफिकल्ट है, सबसे डिफिकल्ट ये वाला है। After this, next class I will do all instruments, compound, simple, telescope, and if that is over, then prism, और एंड में फिर मैं आपको कराऊंगा लेंस वाला, लेंस एंड मिरर। Done. Now which sum after this?
64.
कौन सा बोल लो? Sum number 68 ना? 68 now you are saying ना?
So 64.
64. Wavefront obtained from a source of light is cylindrical at time t. The source of light is linear source. Cylindrical wavefront is for linear source, huh?
Yes, sir.
Linear source is the answer. Then which one?
Sir, I've done till 70.
Till 70. So till this your doubt is clear.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else is having any doubt? Hello? Anybody else, any doubt? No? Then complete till 90 so that we can discuss remaining. That I think you can easily do. All prism related questions I will send you. That you please complete. So tomorrow, again same time, till 90 please solve, and prism related sums I will send, that you try. Okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, yes,
Yes,
bye.
sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.